Would you believe this YouTube channel makes up to $18,000 a month just posting motivational messages? What if I told you there's a way you could replicate the same quality and content without ever showing your face? And here's the best part. You can be lazy. You never have to hit record, and you don't have to edit if you don't want to. You never have to write a script or do a voiceover. It's all automated and at least 8 minutes in length per video. And I'm not talking about those trashy, low-quality AI videos YouTube has been banning left and right. In this video, I'll break down exactly what niche this channel is in, how they're making money, and how you can get started today with zero editing, zero camera time, and no YouTube experience. Before I give you the method, you have to pick the right niche. Take this channel for instance. Motiversity is a motivational channel that inspires their viewers through motivational messages for personal development. The reason the motivational niche gets lots of views is it taps into the struggles people deal with, such as doubt, burnout, and lack of direction, offering viewers hope and direction. Channels like this make a lot of money from YouTube views, better known as monetization. In the last 28 days, Motiversity has made upwards of $42,000. Just think about that for a second. Most people don't even make $42,000 in a year. This channel does it in a month. And with recent YouTube policy updates, a lot of channels are getting banned and removed for low-effort, repetitive AI content. The old copy-paste method doesn't work anymore. If your videos don't seem legit or add real value, they're getting shadow banned, or worse, removed. I'm going to show you how to make motivational content with zero effort that passes YouTube's originality test every time. That way you're not stressing about YouTube shadow banning you or demonetizing your channel for low-effort, repetitive content. I've created hundreds, if not thousands, of videos on YouTube over the last 5 years across all kinds of niches. Some of those channels I've replaced my full-time income. Others, they got demonetized and cost me thousands. So believe me when I say I've been around long enough to know exactly what YouTube wants and what it punishes. On top of that, the sleepless nights of non-stop editing, or cussing out ChatGPT for writing trash scripts because my prompts weren't perfect. It's not fun running a YouTube channel, but the payoff is huge. This is why I built a solution for you to shortcut my 5 years of frustration. This software generates realistic, human-like talking avatars for your channel, so you never have to show your face or touch an editing app. And every video is at least 8 minutes long, which is important because YouTube lets you place more ads on videos over 8 minutes, meaning more revenue in your pocket. Here's the crazy part. This software doesn't just give you a video. It gives you the title, description, video tags, and hashtags to use in order to start generating views. You only have one job, and that's hitting upload. I mean, how much more lazy can you get with this? So enough talking. Let me show you how it works. Down in the video description below is a link to our channelmakr software. Once you're on the home page, you'll see different avatars and niches you can choose from. We've strategically created avatars that go with profitable niches to help you get paid the most out of YouTube monetization. To show you how effortlessly you can start monetizing content for your YouTube channel, let's choose a niche. For this video, let's choose the motivation niche, just like Motiversity. Now let's pick your speaker. In this case, it'll be Charles. Once you're on the character page, the magic starts. No camera, no editing needed, and it's a different video every time. Let's listen to how well our app makes content for you.
I'm Charles from channelmakr. You no longer have to worry about stepping in front of the camera or spending years mastering content creation. Leave that to me. I'll create an 8-minute high-quality motivational talking video for you. Once your video's complete, we'll send it over to your email to download. And as a bonus, we'll give you the YouTube title and video description with keywords, tags, and hashtags to start generating views on YouTube. I'll do all the work. So let's work together for your next video.
And it's just that simple. You pick a niche or topic for your channel, and we create the video from start to finish. Once our content creation team finishes your video, we'll send it straight to your email to download within 48 hours. What comes with your purchase is an 8-minute video that is ready to upload to YouTube right away. You also get the video title that relates to your video, a video description to help your video get discovered, and hashtags and video tags to increase the amount of impressions you get per video. It's honestly a steal of a deal that you can't beat, because you would spend days trying to create the same video, or you would be out of pocket $300 to pay someone to make the same content. This is why I said earlier, don't make the same mistakes I did, just take my shortcut. And with that, I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this weekly.